let's just start with wow. Okay, so for those of you guys who've been watching me, you know I don't show a lot of emotion in videos, but this one I just got up about 30-40 minutes ago. I've got to go to a funeral today. My wife's uncle passed away. He was old and he was in hospice and it was expected, but I got up and so to make videos early for you guys, and I sat down, quite frankly, expecting not a great crypto market. And I turned on my computer and I literally, my mouth dropped open. I'm like, with this like a shocked look in my face, and I was like, I couldn't believe, number one, we're back over 1 trillion and we're up 5%. That is a massive move. Don't discount that, okay? Massive move. And I quite frankly I think that it's being led by Ethereum. I mean, Ethereum, look at this, touching almost right here where I've highlighted, almost touching 1,500. I mean, this is insane where this is coming from and where it's going. Now, I think a lot of the market rally right now, some of it's being driven by, we know that the merge for Ethereum is coming. There's a date. It's September 19th. So we now have a merge date, which is a big, massive deal for Ethereum and frankly for all of crypto, moving from proof of work to proof of stake. So September 19th is the line in the sand, you know, the stake in the sand, if you will, of when Ethereum is going to move to proof of stake. That's massive, okay? That's going to revolutionize everything in crypto, okay? And gas fees will go down, etc., which they've been pretty cheap as of recent, etc. But all that, and then you've got Bitcoin doing similar, obviously, you know, tracking over 22,000, actually to 22.4, so it's backed away a little bit. But the lead story here is Ethereum at up 28% in the last 7 days. It's just really going up nicely. Now, actually, the really lead story here is one I got to give my buddy credit for, which is Polygon. Zach Humphreys, he has a great YouTube channel here, talks about crypto all the time. It's up 63% in the last 7 days. I got to give my buddy Zach credit. Part of the reason for that is, I don't know if you know this, is that all the smart contracts that were over on Terra Luna, are the vast majority of them are moving where? Polygon. Okay, so a lot of them are going to the Polygon, and I think that's going to be massive for Polygon. I'm looking to pick up some of that. Wished I would have picked it up and already had 63%. I got to give Zach credit. He called that one. My boy did. Okay, so what's going on? Here's where we're at. I mean, this is an overall massive broad market rally. Now, if we look at the stock market, which, you know, you're like, why do I care about stock market? You do care about the stock market because right now crypto and stocks are tied. Okay, crypto and stocks are together. They're lockstep because of inflation, fear of recession, all that kind of stuff, right? But what I want you to get out of this is that the Dow and the NASDAQ futures are up dramatically, okay? Now, we are in the middle of earnings seasons, and we're actually getting some bad earnings. Goldman Sachs profit nearly halves in second quarter. B of A post-drop in quarterly profit as deal-making slumps. These were two big, massive earnings that we were waiting on. Netflix reports tomorrow. It's going to be bad. They're expected to report, I think, about 2 million subscribers lost. But it looks like the Dow and the NASDAQ are shaking them off. Now, this could turn, etc. Now, what I'm interested in is there going to be kind of a decoupling here? Meaning, is crypto decoupling from stocks, etc.? It looks like it kind of is right here, right now, because this is on fire and running hard. I'm going to take this as a win, guys, and go and enjoy this rally. This is really nice. I am cautiously optimistic here, okay? And here's why. We still have a little bit of downside risk. I don't want to be the voice of doom and gloom, but I want to be the voice of reason here, okay? I don't think we're out of the woods yet, right? We've still got some downside risk for Bitcoin to go to maybe 14, 15,000. We've still got some downside risk for Ethereum to go to maybe 600, 700 because of the massive big meeting that the Fed has out there on July 26. Are they going to raise the base interest rates 75 basis, 100 basis, etc.? Because remember that inflation data report we got last week. So that's one thing that I'm watching out there. I want you to be aware of it. Enjoy this. Maybe take some profits if you haven't already done so. If you're in some green, take a little bit of profits off the table, okay? Just to kind of, take some profits, if you will. All right, that's what I got for you right now. I'm excited. This is awesome. I'm going to enjoy this, put a smile on my face. This is a good day. All right, so I'll be back later. As always, thank you for your support. I'll see you.